Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x800f081f when you are installing the Net Framework application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in group policy. Best match, come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. And underneath computer configuration, so I'm just going to make this window a little bit wider here. But like I was saying, underneath computer configuration, double click on the administrative templates folder. And now you want to do the same thing for the system folder. Locate something that says system. Left click on the system folder one time. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down and where it says specify settings. So specify settings for optional component installation and component repair. Double click on that. And you want to set this to enabled. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select apply and OK. And then attempt to install the Net Framework again, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. Now, if you can also close out of here, and you can also try and open up Windows features. So if you search for it, turn Windows features on or off, go ahead and open it up, and see if you have the option to install Net Framework 3.5, and then you would select OK. And then let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. As always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.